Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this light for reviewing purposes. It's a really interesting drum-like design lamp, which I think that it's gonna be really perfect to place it wherever you need it. Okay, it uses four light bulbs, which are the E12 light bulbs, and you can adjust the height to different levels, which I think that it's nice. Okay, you get everything you're gonna need to do the installation, and this is the main unit. As you can see, it has some crystals all over it, and it has this nice design. It also comes with all the hardware that you could need, and in case that one of the crystals fall out, you get a replacement, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, it's two of them. It doesn't seem like a hard installation, so let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it works. Okay, come on. The installation process of this ceiling lamp is actually really simple, and it helps that the instructions are really clear and easy to understand, and you can do it all by yourself without help of anybody. And I think that it's great because you can adjust it with the two downloads that you get. You can place it like a semi-flush lamp or a more chandelier like design, and I think that it's perfect. You can place it in your bedroom, dining room, wherever you need it. Its design, it's perfect because it's really flexible and you can place it anywhere. As I've said, it uses the E26 light bulbs, and the home crystal chandelier creates a warm inviting glow, perfect for any kind of ambient or accent lighting. Another thing that I think that it's perfect is that this crystal ceiling fixture blends modern and classic styles, perfect for even a foyer or living room, and it's perfect to place it on sloped ceilings. Also, if you use dimmable light bulbs and a dimmer switch, you can also dim this lamp, which I think that it's really nice. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think that it looks amazing. It has a really classy look with the chrome finish, and I think that it's perfect to place it in your dining room, in your bedroom, your living room, wherever you need it. I think that it's gonna be really nice. It was a really easy installation that doesn't take that much long, which I think that it's nice. I placed these cold white light bulbs, and I think that it looks amazing. As I've said, it's perfect to place it wherever you need it. And overall, because it's really nice, really easy to install, it doesn't take that much long to do it. You can do it all by yourself. The instructions are really clear. I would really recommend it. See you guys.